How to renew SAT VMail license in Falcon MegaTrack. Go to falconmegatrack.com website, enter your login ID and password, and click on Login. Click on Asset Details. Open the drop-down menu and select an asset. Click on SAT VMail to access the license details. The license expiry date is the 16th of December 2024. You will get a notification to renew the license as the expiry date approaches. You will receive an email reminder about the license renewal, which includes the asset name, VMail license expiry date, and asset SAT VMail address. To renew the license, click the Renew button. You will be redirected to SAT VMail license details in Falcon MegaTrack. Click on the Renew License button. Renew SAT VMail account window will appear. Enter the desired number of days for the renewal and click Continue. Review the details carefully and click Apply to confirm the renewal. The expiry date has been extended. The SAT VMail license has been renewed successfully. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.